Hi, today we will discuss about how to solve the 5 by 5 magic square easily by using numbers 1 to 50, but here not 1 to 50, only odd numbers from 1 to 50. Okay, first let us take the square 5 by 5, that is totally 25 boxes, and first write the number 1 in the first row of the middle box and the next odd number, that is 3. So we have to write the 3 in the position or in the box that is diagonal to the number 1, but there is no box that is diagonal to the 1, so we have to write the next odd number extreme down of that position. Okay, then for 3 the diagonal box we have to write the 5, and for the diagonal position there is no box, and downside also there is no box. Then we will write the next number 7 in the extreme left position. Okay, for next 7 we are writing the next number 9 in the diagonal position, but for 9 there is no empty box or no empty diagonal box. Then we are writing the next odd number down, just down to the 9. Okay, that is 11. Next diagonal position is empty, so we are writing 13, and next diagonal position 15, but for 15 the next diagonal position is there is no box, so we are writing extreme down. And for 17 the next diagonal position there is no box and there is no extreme down box also, so we are writing again the 19 in the extreme left box. Next for 19 there is no empty diagonal box, so we are just writing just down to the 9. Like for 9 we have write 11 just below the 9, and for 19 also we are writing just below the 19, and again for 21 after 23, 25, 27 and 29 there are just diagonal boxes are there, and for 29 there is no diagonal box and there is no extreme down box is also there, so just we are writing just down to the 29 for 31, and for 31 also there is no diagonal box, so we are writing extreme left, and for 33 also there is no diagonal box, so we are writing 35 in the extreme down. Next 37, 39 there are empty diagonal boxes are there, and for 41 the box is not empty, so we are writing just down to the 39, and for 41 there is empty box, so we are writing diagonally, and for 43 there is no box, so we are writing extreme left, that is 45, and for 45 also there is an empty diagonal box, that is 47, and for 47 there is no box, so we are writing extreme down, that is 49, and now the 5 by 5 magic square is completed. So here the rules are, when there is no empty diagonal box we have to write the next odd number in the extreme down position, and there is no box in the extreme down position also, then we will write the next odd number in the extreme left position. Or in the second case, if there is no empty box or there is a number in the diagonal position, then we are writing the number in the just below that number. And now we will calculate the sum of the rows and columns and diagonals of this 5 by 5 magic square. The sum of the 5 boxes of the first row will be 125, and the sum of the 5 boxes of the second row will also be 125. Now next the third row of the 5 boxes, the sum will be also 125, and for fourth row also the 5 boxes sum will be 125, and for the fifth row also the sum of the 5 boxes will be 125. Now we will calculate the sum of the 5 columns of this 5 by 5 magic square. So the first column, the 5 boxes, total will be 125, and the total of the second column of the 5 boxes will also be 125, and the third column, the 5 boxes total or sum will be 125, and the fourth column of the 5 boxes, that sum will be 125, and the fifth column, the sum of the 5 boxes will be 125. Now we will check the diagonals. So from left to right, the diagonal boxes, that 5 boxes will sum also will be 125, and from and this diagonal also the sum will be 125. Now take the extreme center of this 5 by 5 magic square, that is the extreme center box is, the number is 25. So take this one as the extreme center and remember this one, this 25. Now we will check the inner square sums. Okay, here the inner square is like this, from 9, 27, 23, 24, and the sides 11, 13, 39 and 37. So first if we calculate this extreme square, or adding extreme center, not extreme square, extreme center, that is 9, 27, 23 plus 41 with extreme center with 25, the total will be 125. Now the sides of the inner square, that is 13, 11, 39, 37 with the extreme center, that is 25, and that sum will also be 125. Okay. Here the next is, now we will take the outer square, that is the along with the corners of 33, 21, 17, 29. Okay, that is the outer square or the big square of this 5 by 5 magic square. Now we will calculate the corners of this big square, that is 33, 29, 21 plus 17 along with the extreme center 25. Now also we will get the sum, that is 125. And next, if we calculate the center sides of the big square, that is 143, 7, 49 along with the extreme center 25, then the sum or total will be again 125. Okay. Now we will add the sides of the extreme square, that is 47, that means upper side and lower side, that is 47, 15, 35 plus 3 along with the extreme center, that is 25. Now we will get the sum again 125, and if we take the left side and right sides of the big square or the outer square, that is 45, 31, 19, 5 along with 25, then also we will get the total 125. So 5 by 5 magic square is completed by using odd numbers from 1 to 50. And if you like this video, please do like the video and comment your opinion or give me the feedback in the comment section, and subscribe my channel Krishna's Diaries.